Is your cat really a cat? Or a dog in disguise? Let's dive into the world of cats with canine spirit. First clue? The welcome home sprint. Fetch? Oh yeah, Feline Ferguson's got game. Sit, stay, high five? This kitty's got skills. Adventure mode, on. This furball photobombs everything. Zoom calls, yoga, dinner. Does your cat bark in secret? Drop the weirdest pet behavior in the comments. Dog? Cat? Why choose? Embrace the glitch. Quirky pets are the best pets.